What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. I have right here in front of us a Redcat Volcano. I got two of them in a trade, sold one to my buddy Matt, and then I got this one. It had a brush set up in it. I took the 4S Spectrum system out of my Max because that's getting a stock system, and I threw it in here just to see what it'll do. She handles nice. I just got to get a body for it, which I just ordered one, waiting for it to come in. I also got to order a shock because my son yesterday ran it over with his bike. As you can tell, it's bent right there. But eventually we'll have Matt's and mine up and running together. She hammers down. Yeah, can't even control it.
I get it.
But yeah, Matt's doing his all purple aluminum stuff. Both of ours came with purple on it, but I'm gonna switch all mine over to the blue, because that's all you really can find in aluminum stuff for these volcanoes is blue and purple. So I let him decide what he wanted to do for color, and then I was gonna do whatever color that he wasn't gonna do. You got a cone, broken cone stuck underneath it.
Pick up from the roads.
Woo! Whoa!
Kayla, move out the way. I'm gonna jump in.
Want your bike?
Ready, Daddy?
Yep. All right. Let's see it. Should be wearing your helmet, but you know, kids don't like to listen. This thing jumps pretty nice. I'm not really hammering it too hard because it does not have no body right now. Oh. Alright guys, go on the road so we can get a few shots of it at high speed. In the ditch. Oh, head down the ditch again. She is definitely quick for a volcano, guys. Like a volcano is like one of my very first RCs that I owned. Like about actually it's longer than 9 years now. Ooh. What are you doing?
You're trying to beat
Kayla.
the
Kayla. No, over here. No, we're not running in the road. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. Let's go this way. She's like, no, I'm running. Leave me alone.
Daddy Daryl, watch me.
What kind of?
Yep, can be. Easy, baby girl.
One way to wear out your kid. She's like, I'm done.
You go chase it?
Alright guys, that's it for this video. A nice short video of the volcano that I got. Definitely subscribe guys, leave a like below, hit that bell notification button so you can stay up to date of what I do to the volcano. But what?
Can I say peace out when it's the end?
It is the end.
Peace out, dudes. Sup.
But yeah guys, like always, we are out of here.